Hello everyone, I am Adarsh, lecturer in Vidyashram PU College, Temple of Excellence. In the last session, we discussed about what is partnership deed, absence of partnership deed, each and every concept we learned. Now, in today's session, we are talking about profit and loss appropriation account. This P&L appropriation account will come for 6 mark. It will come for 6 mark, and 6 marks will be problem. Along with this, you will get 1 mark. Total it will be 7 mark. So this topic weightage is 7 mark. Now, what is the use of this topic? What is the use of this session? You will get two things. One, first one will be learn and second one will be earn. What you will learn and what you will earn. What you will learn? You will learn concepts. You will learn concepts. And what you will earn? You will earn marks. You will learn concept as well as you will learn marks. We'll go to next slide. Profit and loss appropriation account. What is profit and loss appropriation account? When we will prepare, how to prepare, we will get to know. Now, you know what is trading account? Profit and loss account, and we prepare balance sheet. Now, P&L appropriation, it comes in between P&L account and balance sheet. What is P&L appropriation? Now, I'll go with example. For example, your profit is 5,000. What is your profit? 5,000. How you got to know your profit is 5,000? After preparing profit and loss account, you got to know your profit is 5,000. Now, in this 5,000, there are two partners are there. One is A, other fellow is B. Now, in this 5,000, we have to minus whatever salary has to be given to partners. It may be 1,000. Whatever commission we have to give to partners, it may be 500. Whatever interest on capital we are giving to partners, it may be 500. Now, 5,000 minus 2,000, what is your answer? Your answer is 3,000. This 3,000 will goes to whom? For example, there are two partners are there. This profit will go to whom? Partners. So, A will get 1,500 and B will get 1,500. This is called as P&L appropriation. If there are 4 partners are there or 5 partners are there, how much each partner will get? That we have to calculate, appropriate the resources. This we call it as resources. We have to appropriate. Appropriate means we have to share to each and everyone. That is called as P&L appropriation account. Now, this is a specimen, or we can call it as format of P&L appropriation account. So, we have particular amount, debit side what will come? Interest on capital, partners commission, partners salary, interest on loan. Credit side what will come? Profit and loss account. This we have taken from profit and loss account. In the P&L account, whatever profit you will get, that has to be mentioned here. Last part, interest on drawings. This is a format for P&L appropriation account. Sir, how to remember this format? Simple logic I'll give you. Remember, this is your P&L appropriation account. You have to remember this I, C, S, I. This is your debit side. What will come under credit side? P, I. If you remember this, your format done. Now, debit side what will come? I, C, S, I. Credit side what will come? P, I. What is I stands for? Interest on capital. What is C stands for? C for commission. S for salary. I for interest on loan. Now, credit side. First one is P. What is P? P means profit and loss account. What is I? I means interest on drawings. This is your format. Other than these things, you will not get anything. Clear? Your problem will be included with these things. Now, just will repeat. Now, what will come under debit side? Four things. I, C, S, I. What is I? I for interest on capital. What is C? C for commission. What is S? S for salary. What is the last one? I, interest on loan. Good. Credit side. Credit side we have two things. P, I. P for what? Profit and loss account. I for what? Interest on drawings. Very good. So this is a format, or else we can call it as specimen of P&L appropriation account. You will be clear, you will understand better when we do one problem on this. Yeah. Now, P&L appropriation problem number 1. You have to remember, you have to concentrate while reading the question, because each and every point is important. Now, Sachin and Dhoni having a capital of 40,000 and 30,000. These two are partners. What is their initial investment? What is their contribution? Sachin contributed 40 and Dhoni contributed 30,000. Now, they earned profit of 50,000. What is the profit here? 50,000 is their profit. Now, interest on capital is 5%. Interest on drawing, they have given amount. Now, Sachin's salary 500 per month. Always remember, if they have mentioned per month, what you have to do? How many months we have in a year? We have 12 months. 500 into 12. 1000 into 12. We have to multiply. If per month word is not given, whatever amount they have given, there is a final value. In case they have given per annum. What is per annum? Per annum is 1 year. They only calculated and given per annum. Per month means we only have to calculate. Now, this is 500 per month and this one is 1000 per month. Annual commission of rupees 2000. They have not given commission of Sachin, means only Dhoni will get commission. Then drawings made during the year 8,000 and 6,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation. Yeah, every questions will be like this. Every question will be like this only. Now, what are the important points we have to remember before doing problem? Two things you have to remember. What are the two things? One is capital and second one is drawing. What is the first one? capital. What is the second one? Drawing. In your problem, if you find capital amount, you should not consider. If you find drawing amount, you should not consider. These two will be considered only for calculation, but capital amount, drawing amount, we will not consider in your table, in your specimen. Remember, what is the capital? 40. What is the capital? 30. These two will not come under your problem. Now, what is the drawing amount? 8,000 and 6,000. These two will not come under in your problem. Only we do calculation on this. We calculate interest, but we will not consider this amount in your problem. We'll solve this problem. P&L appropriation will solve that problem. Now, the heading must be P, A, P, A. So, whom do you like most at your family? Obviously, it must be your papa or dad. Always remember P, A, P, A. P for particulars, amount, particulars and amount. As I told you, what is the format? The format is debit side, it will be IC, SI, and credit side, it will be PI. Same thing we have to write in the format. Now, your credit side always by, debit side always it should be 2. Now, by profit and loss account. P for profit and loss account. Next one, I. By interest on drawings. By interest on drawings account. Your credit side is over. Now we'll come for the debit side. What is the first one? I. I for interest on capital. Now, to interest on capital account. What is the second one? C. C for what? Commission. To partners commission account. What is the third one? S for salary. Now, to salary. You have to mention it is partner's salary. What is the last one? Last one is I. I stands for interest on loan. By interest on loan account. So, it is a easy thing. While doing problem, always remember, just write down the format so that you will not miss anything. Now, we'll go back to problem. Now, you have capital 40 and 30. As I told you, what is a note? You should not consider capital and you should not consider drawing. These two things we should not consider. Then what we should consider? Only the calculation part. Interest on drawings and interest on capital only we should consider. Now, these two things we will not take. Now, they earn profit of rupees 50,000. Now, what is the profit? 50,000. Come back to your format. Yeah, profit and loss account. How much is your profit? 50,000. Your profit is 50,000. Just copy paste work. Again, Interest on capital is 5%. As I told you, capital we will not consider, but interest on capital we should consider. How to calculate? They have given 5%. Now, their capital amount is how much? Their capital amount is 40,000 and 30,000. Now, interest on capital, the first person is Sachin, 40,000 multiplied by 5 divided by 100. What is the answer? It is 2,000. Similarly, second person, what is the capital? 30,000 multiplied with 5%. Your answer is 1,500. Remember, the calculation should be part of your answer because you have done your problem. The answer is correct, but your marks is less. Why? The answer is you have not done calculation. Calculation should be part of your answer. Now, your P&L is over, interest on capital also over. We'll come back to problem. In this, interest on drawings, first person 1,000 and second person 2,000. So, interest on drawing, Sachin and Dhoni. So, what is the interest given? First person 1,000, second person 2,000. So, first person 1,000 and second person 2. Total it should be 3,000. Now, again we'll go back to problem. In this, Sachin's salary 500 per month. Dhoni it is 1,000 per month. It must be 500 into 12 and 1,000 multiplied with 12. Now, salary, first person Sachin, it is 500 multiplied with 12. How much it is? 6,000. Now, second person Dhoni, it is 1,000 multiplied with 12. It is how much? 12,000. If it is given per month, what you should do? You have to multiply with 12. If it is given per annum, then what you should do? You have to copy the same amount. Per month, multiply. Per annum, copy, paste. Now, your salary also done. Next, annual commission of 2,000 per annum. Only Dhoni got commission. Sachin has not got any commission. Then the commission part you have to mention. Dhoni, how much he got? He got 2,000 as commission. Now almost you have filled everything. Just will check once again. The drawing made during the year 8,000 and 6,000. As I told you, drawing amount we will not consider. Now, in this, what is the total? You have to see which side is more. 50 plus 3, 53,000. Your debit side less than 53,000. Then 50 plus 3, it is 53,000. The higher value should be written both the sides. Same 53,000, copy paste. You have to write 53,000 both the sides. Now, how much you have? You have less than 53,000. What is the total? The total is 12 plus 6, 18,000 plus 2, 20,000 plus 3.5. Your total is 23,500. Now, your final total 53,000 minus 23,500. What is your final answer? Your final answer is 29,500. What is your profit? What is the closing balance? The closing balance is your final total minus all your subtotal. How much profit partners got? 29,500. You have to mention to partners capital account. Partners capital account. How much you got? 29,500. So always remember, after calculating this, your total should come under 53. Your total must match with 53,000. Now, how many partners are there? 2 partners. In the partnership problem or in the P&L appropriation problem, they have mentioned that they are sharing profit and losses equally. Equally means whatever profit they got, we have to share half, equal. If it is 10 rupees, what you have to do? 5 rupees for A, 5 rupees for B. Similarly, what is your profit? 29,500. Then 29,500. How many partners are there? 2. It should be divided by 2. If there are 3 partners, then 29,500 divided by 3. Now, 29,500 divided by 2, it will goes to whom? First person Sachin and the second person Dhoni. How much you will get? It will be how much? 14,750 each. 14,750 each. It should match 29,500. Hope you understood. Okay. So this is your complete 6-mark problem. Always remember, while doing problem, heading is must, your particular and amount is must, as well as all your calculations are compulsory. Even though it is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, you have to mention that it is 1 plus 1. Clear? Yeah. We'll go for the next one. Now, this problem number 2. This will be homework for you. This will be homework for you. Now, these are exactly similar to your last problem. Whatever adjustment you had in problem number 1, same adjustment you have in the problem number 2 also. But numbers are different. Now, you have capital of 2 partners. As you know, capital we will not consider. Only we will consider interest on capital. What is the profit they have? 50,000. All the information whatever they have given, it is exactly similar to your last problem. If there are no information given on interest on loan or salary or commission, if anything is not given, that has to be blank. It is not compulsory that they should give each and everything. Clear? Yeah. This will be homework for you. Sir, how can we reach you? Very simple. In your comment box, you have to solve this problem. After solving the final answer, what should be the final answer means? And your final answer. So, in the homework problem, whatever final answer you get, where you will get final answer? This must be your final answer. So, you have to send me this one as well as how much for first partner and how much for second partner. These 2 answers, please you have to send me in the comment box. Clear? Your homework problem answer, you have to send me in the comment box. In the comment box, what you should send? You have to send this one as well as these 2. Clear? Yeah. And whatever concept. So what is partnership? So what is a salary? What is a commission? For that, please you watch session 1. Session 1, it is already uploaded in YouTube. Please follow that link. You will get to know all the basic information about partnership. Then it will be more understanding and more clear with your concept. Question and answer. Before we go to question and answer, I need to explain few things. I explained you what is P&L appropriation, where it comes. That also I explained you. It comes in between P&L and balance sheet. Now, if it is asked for 1 marks, what is P&L appropriation account? Your answer must be P&L appropriation account is an extension of P&L account. What is the extension? You done with P&L account. Before you start with balance sheet, you will do P&L appropriation. Means it is the extension of P&L account. Clear? What is the 1 marks answer for P&L appropriation? P&L appropriation account is an extension of profit and loss account. You have to remember this. P&L is a extension of P&L account. Now, the one more thing you have to remember this. The P&L appropriation account is the nominal account. P&L appropriation account is what? It is a nominal account. Nominal means what? All the expenses and incomes comes under nominal. All the expenses and incomes comes under nominal. Clear? What is the first thing? P&L appropriation is the extension of P&L account. And this one is what? Nominal. P&L appropriation is called as nominal account. Clear? Yeah. Now, in this problem they have given the profit sharing ratio is equally. Now, every problem you will not get equally. It may be 1:2. It may be 3:2. It may be 5:3. As per the problem, we have to calculate. This kind of calculation, we'll do it in the next session. In case in the problem they have not given any information, they have not given even equally, then we have to assume as it is always equal. If these numbers are not given, profit sharing ratio always what? Equal. Clear? Yeah. Now, this is the last session, question and answer session. Very easy. Out of this, you may get any one for 1 marks. Along with this, you have to remember what is P&L appropriation. What is P&L appropriation? It is an extension of profit and loss account. Now, you have to answer me now. First one, profit and loss appropriation. It is an extension of dash. It is an extension of dash. Yeah, you are correct. It is an extension of profit and loss account. Second one, profit and loss appropriation is dash account. Just now I explained you, it is a what kind of account? It is a nominal account. It is a nominal. What is nominal? Expenses and income. Now, interest on drawing, which side of the account? Now, this is called debit, this one is credit. It is a debit side or credit side. Now, interest on drawing always comes under credit side. Remember this, ICSI and this one PI. This is interest on drawing. This is a debit side and this one is credit side. Interest on drawings comes under which side? Credit side. Your answer must be credit. Yeah. Now, if profit sharing ratio is not given, profit sharing should be what? Just I explained you. If the profit sharing ratio like 2:1, 3:2, if it is not given, the profit sharing ratio should be what? Equal. This must be equal. And the last one, salary of partners dash side of the account. Again come back. Now this is what? Salary. It is in debit or credit. This is debit side. Your answer must be what? Debit. Yeah. This is all about P&L appropriation. Your 90% of the problems will be like this. The only one adjustment is not covered. What is that? 3:2, 2:1. Other than equally. That can be covered in your next session. So in today's session, we covered one 6-mark problem and 1 mark theory. Total we covered 7 mark. So the problem will be on P&L appropriation and 1 mark theory will be out of these 5. So this is all about today's session. Thank you.